Hello guys, Millennium Edition 56 here with you once again, and this is going to be part 2 of the Dollar Tree unboxing video, and kind of a review, not really. Our first product of the day is the Jot Scientific Calculator. Now, the last video I had a calculator that was, it wasn't like this, but it was a calculator. This one is scientific. So here's all the stuff you can do with it. The modifications, and the manufacture date. So let's open her up. Look at all this no frills packaging going on here. It's actually kind of amusing, really. So here, I'm gonna use my obnoxious screwdriver to get onto the edges. Most people won't have this luxury, but I do. So right off the bat, you get the calculator itself, which again feels really cheap. Just like everything else in this segment. You have the cover, and you have... I just dropped something. Oh man, I'm gonna have fun with this. The instructions manual, which you probably won't need. So with this calculator, you can basically do everything you could with like a $15 except with one line. E-circuit earbuds with case. Can't wait to get into these. On the back here is the specifications, if you care. You probably don't care. Oh, this one's got frustration-free packaging. Perfect. So here are the earbuds. And they come with this Apple-esque case. This is kind of interesting. So obviously, there they are. They got a triple driver. And you can take that off. And you can have... Okay, come on. You can take that off and you can have a white ear tip if you want. But if that doesn't suit your fancy, you can have a blue ear tip. Or you can be nuts, do a blue and a white ear tip, which is pretty cool, I would say. Come on. This is kind of nuts to try and do. There we go. Blue and white ear tip. Let's analyze the sound quality. So my take on these earbuds is, first off, really cheap build quality. What do you expect? Second off, I love how long the cord is. Like seriously, it is really long. I love that. For scale, I'm going to bring up my benchmark earbuds, which are these Sony MDR XB50. Basically, I'm foreshadowing a review here. They're about as long as those, which is pretty tight. Sound quality is abysmal, but what do you expect? But they're number one, and here's why they're number one so far. Because you can change out the ear tips, and the bass is a little bit better too. Next up are these E-circuit earbuds. I almost said ear circuit earbuds. Who wishes? Another 48-inch cord. So I'm sure you could tell already, these are abysmal. They sound awful. These are, in fact, dead last in the competition. And here's the reason why they're dead last. The bass is fine, but to my sensitive ears, even 5 minutes of audio will hurt your ears. So do what I say, or don't do what I say. I don't care what you do, but don't buy these. Our next item, if I can hear correctly, is the E-circuit mini powered speaker. Whatever, I'm not returning this anyway. Oh yeah, that looks abysmal. I mean, for $1, what do you expect? But oh man, that's... I'm sure I could crush this thing using a hammer. Which I might do in my outtakes, I'm not sure. Power switch, oh dude. That is painful. That is really painful. Aux in. They do not give you an aux jack. and your power LED. Let's go get some batteries. Alright, so now I've grabbed something to plug it in with, and obviously it's something that not very many millennials will use, but it's something that I will use for the sake of this test. Here's the first song. Huh? Oh, that's why it's off. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? These are the earphones. Who makes them? No one knows. Let's unbox. I'm hard pressed to even put this.
Please believe me. Just hold on, hold on, hold on. We're gonna set it off tonight.
I don't need any of them. Here are the earphones. Who makes them? Who knows? Right off the bat. Yeah, it sounds god-awful, doesn't it? But here's a long cord. Just like the last one, really the selling point of these earbuds are the cord is really long. Just like in my Sony XB50. Didn't have to test them for a minute to tell you that they're absolutely the last place in this segment. Because number one, there's barely any audio coming out. Number two, there's barely any audio coming out. Number three, what audio is coming out, absolutely abysmal. No bass at all. Just don't buy these. Alright, here's the last segment I wanted to do. Let's talk about all the earbuds I bought during this video. Now the winner here, the first place winner are these. The customizable earbuds with case, which is most likely this. Look for the case with the blue and white earbud thing. They're really bad. They're really abysmal. All of these are. But this comes in first place because of customizability, and it sounds the best, if you can call it that, in this entire thing. In this entire endeavor. Second place goes to these earbuds right here. These no-name earbuds. I completely forgot what they are. But it uses this design. I like it because of the design. I love how they go on. I hate how they sound. In third place are the Kobe earbuds that I talked about in the last video. And that's because of its design. So yeah. That has been the mass unboxing of tech from the horrible place that we call Dollar Tree. Although Dollar Tree is good because they have everything for $1. So yeah, that's about all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching. All comments and ratings are very much appreciated. Take care.
So if you're here